What's up everyone? I'm Allie and today we're going to be making an exfoliating lip scrub. Knowing what's in your lip scrub is important, so why not DIY your own exfoliation process? Starting a lip care regime will keep your pout fresh and kissable, and the good news is it's easy and sweet as pie to do. Sugar may not be good for you, but when it comes to summertime exfoliating, it's a must, especially for your lips. Exfoliating your lips keeps them feeling and looking healthy, but it's important to know how to exfoliate lips properly so you don't cause any damage. The damage or dryness on your lips may be a result of the weather, incorrect care, or even stress. Indulging in an exfoliating treatment once or twice a week will help cleanse your lips so they're left looking healthier than ever. Don't over-exfoliate though. Twice a week is plenty to remove dead skin and keep your lips looking soft and supple. By exfoliating with a natural scrub, you'll remove that top layer of skin often left dry from the sun, exposing a new, soft lip that allows for better penetration of hydrating products like lip balm. It also helps your favorite liquid lipsticks go on smoother and last longer. There are a number of simple, natural DIY lip exfoliant recipes available for you to try. I've chosen a simple coconut and honey scrub with brown sugar. First, we start by gathering our ingredients. All you need is 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and a container to mix it in. Coconut oil's consistency changes depending on the temperature. It liquefies when warmed and tends to separate and solidify at room temperature. Scoop out and use the solid portion of the coconut oil. In your bowl, combine the coconut oil and honey. Mix until you're left with a rich, thick, and smooth consistency. Coconut oil contains antioxidants and fatty acids which nourish the skin, and honey has natural healing properties. Next, we're going to put in the sugar. Add 2 firmly packed tablespoons of brown sugar to your base and mix until it's completely integrated and coated, forming a paste. Adjust the sugar to base ratio to achieve your desired consistency. The brown sugar acts as a natural exfoliator which helps remove dead, dry skin. Plus, it's more gentle than some of nature's other exfoliants like salt. Now we get to use our delicious lip scrub. Make sure your lips are clear of makeup before we start. Using a generous amount, apply the scrub to your lips in a circular motion, but be gentle. Don't exfoliate too hard, and let this sit for about 10 minutes. You can use a humidifier during this time. I happen to live in an area with high humidity, so I skipped that step. Now you can remove it with a warm washcloth. Apply your favorite moisturizing lip balm with SPF factor after each use to maximize on the results of your freshly scrubbed lips. Don't forget to label the jar with the name and date so that you can put it in the fridge and keep track of how long you've had it. This lip scrub, because it doesn't have any preservatives in it, will probably last about 2 weeks. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. Be sure to like and subscribe. And remember, if there's a DIY project you'd like to see me try, leave a comment below. Have a great day.